Welcome back to our General Awareness Question Answer series. In today's episode, we will be focusing on the stock market. I have prepared 10 multiple choice questions to test your knowledge on this fascinating topic. So, let's dive right in. Question number 1. What does IPO stand for? Option A. Initial Public Offering. Option B. International Prize Organization. Option C. Investment Portfolio Optimization. Option D. Internet Product Outreach. The correct answer is Option A. Initial Public Offering. An IPO is the process through which a private company becomes publicly traded by offering its shares to the public for the first time. Moving on to question number 2. Which index is used to measure the performance of the stock market in the United States? Option A. S&P 500. Option B. Nasdaq. Option C. Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI. Option D. FTSE 100. The correct answer is Option C. Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJI. It represents the stock performance of 30 large, publicly owned companies based in the United States. Question number 3. What is a bear market? Option A. A market dominated by selling and declining prices. Option B. A market characterized by a strong upward trend. Option C. A market that remains stagnant for an extended period. Option D. A market with high volatility. The correct answer is Option A. A market dominated by selling and declining prices. In a bear market, investors expect prices to fall and may sell their holdings to avoid losses. Let's move on to question number 4. What is the purpose of a stockbroker? Option A. To provide investment advice to clients. Option B. To facilitate buying and selling of securities. Option C. To regulate the stock market. Option D. To manage mutual funds. The correct answer is Option B. To facilitate buying and selling of securities. Stockbrokers act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers, executing trades on behalf of their clients. If you're interested in diving deeper into stock investing and participating in the exciting world of the stock market, I encourage you to click the link provided in the pinned comment below to open a Demat account for free. A Demat account is essential for buying and selling stocks electronically, and it's the first step towards starting your stock investing journey. So, why not take this opportunity to explore the possibilities of stock investing? Next up, question number 5. What is the significance of a blue chip stock? Option A. A stock with a high market capitalization. Option B. A stock issued by a newly established company. Option C. A stock with high growth potential. Option D. A stock associated with a high-risk investment. The correct answer is Option A. A stock with a high market capitalization. Blue-chip stocks are shares of well-established, financially stable companies that have a reputation for reliability and strong performance. Let's proceed to question number 6. What is the difference between a limit order and a market order? Option A. A limit order specifies a price, while a market order does not. Option B. A limit order is executed immediately, while a market order takes time. Option C. A limit order is used for selling, while a market order is used for buying. Option D. A limit order can be placed only during market hours, while a market order can be placed anytime. The correct answer is Option A. A limit order specifies a price, while a market order does not. A limit order allows investors to set the maximum price they are willing to pay or the minimum price they are willing to accept. Moving on to question number 7. What is a dividend? Option A. A commission charged by brokers for executing trades. Option B. A type of bond issued by corporations. Option C. A portion of a company's profit distributed to shareholders. Option D. a type of derivative used for hedging investments? The correct answer is option C, a portion of a company's profit distributed to shareholders. Dividends are typically paid out regularly to shareholders as a reward for owning the company's stock. Next up, question number 8. What is market capitalization? Option A, the total number of shares a company has issued. Option B, the total value of a company's outstanding shares. Option C, the difference between a stock's current price and its purchase price. Option D, the number of shares traded in a single trading session. The correct answer is option B, the total value of a company's outstanding shares. Market capitalization is calculated by multiplying the current stock price by the total number of shares outstanding. Let's move on to question number 9. What is the role of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC? Option A, to regulate and oversee the financial markets in the United States. Option B, to provide investment advice to individual investors. Option C, to facilitate stock trading between international markets. Option D, to manage the stock market indices. The correct answer is option A, to regulate and oversee the financial markets in the United States. The SEC is responsible for protecting investors, maintaining fair and efficient markets, and facilitating capital formation. Finally, question number 10. What is the difference between a bull market and a bull run? Option A, they are two different terms for the same market condition. Option B, a bull market refers to a long-term upward trend, while a bull run refers to a short-term surge in prices. Option C, a bull market applies to stocks, while a bull run applies to bonds. Option D, a bull market refers to a decline in prices, while a bull run refers to an increase in prices. The correct answer is option B, a bull market refers to a long-term upward trend, while a bull run refers to a short-term surge in prices. A bull market generally indicates positive investor sentiment and rising stock prices over an extended period, while a bull run is a shorter, more intense period of price appreciation. That concludes our General Awareness Question Answer Series Part 3 focused on the stock market. I hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge and learned something new along the way. Stay tuned for more episodes in this series covering various topics. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and happy investing.